Fried turkey. Let's get started cooking. Pat water off turkey after rinsing. Season on both sides, and in cavity with granulated garlic powder. Season on both sides, and in cavity with seasoned salt. Season on both sides, and in cavity with smoked paprika. Season on both sides, and in cavity with better than bouillon. Electric fryer. Bought from Home Depot. Gloves bought from Amazon. Thermometer bought from Amazon. Use peanut oil. Wait for grease temp to get around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slowly. Add turkey to grease. Slowly. Add turkey, completely, in grease. Family plate used, over 20 years. How to cut the turkey. First, cut the wings. Second, cut thighs and drumsticks. Third, cut the back from the breasts. Fourth, cut the breast portions in half. Slice the breast meat. Remove the bone from the thigh meat. Slice the thigh meat. Optional. Add gravy to meat. Ready to add to a plate or to serve from container. Thanks for watching. Follow at Food and Decor by Tammy, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.